Hey everyone, welcome back to SpeakUp English, where we help you speak naturally through real-life conversations. I'm Anna.
And I'm John. Today, we're talking about something exciting and a little scary, budgeting for your first apartment.
Oh yes, that I finally have my own place dream, followed by the, wait, why is everything so expensive reality?
So today, we'll break it all down for you. Rent, utilities, hitting costs, budgeting tips, and how to avoid surprises.
And as always, we'll explain useful English phrases along the way. Let's dive in. 1. Do you remember when you moved into your first apartment?
Oh, yes. I thought it would be like the movies. Cozy lights, a cute sofa, maybe a plant. Reality, I had one chair, one pan, and no Wi-Fi for 3 days.
Classic first apartment moment. And that's why budgeting isn't just saving money, it's planning smart from day one.
Exactly. And today, we're giving you the reality check, but in the friendly way.
2. The big 3. Rent, utilities, and security deposits. Rent. So, let's start with the biggest part, rent. John, how should someone research average rent?
Use websites like Zillow or local housing groups. Search by area, size, and check recent listings. And make sure to read reviews of the building.
Utilities. Utilities often surprise people. You think your rent is $600 until electricity, water, internet, trash, and heating say, "Hi."
Yes, electricity alone can jump during summer. Internet, usually $30 to $70 depending on the provider.
And here comes the ouch moment. Security deposit, first month's rent, last month's rent, sometimes even application fees.
It can add up to thousands before you even move in.
Phrase explanation. Add up, meaning many small costs combine into a big amount. Ouch moment, a funny way to say a moment that hurts your wallet. Okay, furniture. This is where people lose control.
Yes, you go to IKEA just to look and suddenly you're buying candles, shelves, a rug, and a lamp shaped like a cloud.
But there are budget-friendly ways. Thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, free stuff groups, pantry and cleaning supplies.
People forget these totally. Salt, oil, rice, soap, trash bags, sponges. It easily becomes $80 to $120.
Oops costs. And don't forget renter's insurance, moving truck, and something breaks on day 1.
For me, it was the shower head. It fell off and hit me. Great first day.
Phrase explanation. Oops cost. Unexpected expenses you never planned for. Setup expenses. Money needed to prepare your apartment. 4. Creating a bulletproof budget and tracking. Let's talk budgeting. Here's the simplest method ever. Use one spreadsheet or a mobile app. List income, list expenses, subtract, done.
I like apps because they send notifications. When I overspend, my phone basically yells at me.
And don't forget the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, rent, food, bills. 30% wants, fun stuff. 20% savings.
Skill explanation. Budgeting skill equals planning plus tracking plus adjusting. You can't just plan once. You must track and adjust every month.
Yes, and tracking doesn't need to be hard. Just check your spending once a week. 5. Saving smart and future-proofing your finances. Let's talk savings. First, emergency fund. For apartment living, aim for 1 to 3 months of rent saved.
Next, negotiate. Ask about move-in specials, like free Wi-Fi for the first month or half off the security deposit.
If you have roommates, you can split internet, share cooking ingredients, buy furniture together.
And the biggest tip, good financial habits now help you reach goals later. A better apartment, a car, or travel.
Phrase explanation. Future-proofing means preparing so your future is stable and safe. 6. Financial red flags when renting. John, before we wrap up, let's mention something important. Financial red flags.
Oh, yes. If a landlord asks for cash only, that's a red flag.
Or if the rent seems too good to be true, it probably is.
Also, if they refuse to show the apartment before paying, run.
Phrase explanation. Red flag. A warning sign that something may be unsafe or untrustworthy. Too good to be true? Something that sounds amazing but is usually not real. Run. A humorous way to say, leave immediately and avoid a bad situation. How to plan your first month budget. The first month is always the most expensive, so planning is key.
Yes, my formula is simple. Rent plus utilities plus move-in fees plus food plus transportation.
And don't forget a small stress relief budget. Moving is exhausting. Sometimes you need a coffee or a treat.
Absolutely. Budgeting isn't about suffering. It's about staying balanced and avoiding surprises.
Skill highlight. Budget forecasting. Predicting your upcoming expenses in advance. Cost allocation. Dividing your money into categories such as rent, food, and utilities. 8. Talking to roommates about money. Roommates can help reduce costs, but only if you communicate well.
Yeah, money conversations can be awkward, but they're necessary.
For example, hey, can we split the internet bill evenly? Can we rotate who buys cleaning supplies?
And always write things down. A shared note, a Google Sheet, anything.
Phrase explanation. Split evenly. Divide the cost equally among people. Rotate responsibility. Take turns handling a task or payment. Awkward. Something that feels uncomfortable or socially difficult. 9. Long-term planning. What comes after your first apartment? So, John, after someone survives their first apartment, what's next?
Well, once you learn good habits, tracking, saving, planning, you can upgrade to a better place. Save for travel, buy a car, even invest.
Exactly. Your first apartment is just the beginning. It teaches independence, discipline, and responsibility.
And it shows you that financial freedom is not magic. It's small, smart choices every day.
Skill highlight. Financial discipline. The ability to control your spending and follow your budget. Money mindset. The way you think about earning, saving, and using money. Long-term stability. Financial security and consistency over many years. And that's our full guide to budgeting for your first apartment.
We hope this helps you avoid surprises and start strong.
Practice the phrases we used today and let us know in the comments. What's the biggest cost in your country when moving out?
Thanks for watching Speak Up English.
See you next time.